There are places on earth where time slows down, where beauty isn't loud but gentle. Ladakh is one of them, and every spring something magical happens here. The Apricot Blossom Festival blooms into life. It's a time when valleys turn pink and communities come together to celebrate something simple yet sacred, the apricot. This fruit, known locally as chulli, has grown here for generations, nourished by snowmelt and sun, thriving against all odds. Jule, I'm Ramona and welcome to Festive Trails, a journey through India's hidden celebrations, brought to you by Hyundai. I really love driving this Alcazar. As I've been driving from Leh to Kargil, I have to say I've been super impressed with the engine because it's handled really well even at these altitudes. In fact, 10,000 feet and above, and the engine picks up perfectly. It drives smoothly, there's no lag. I'm having the best, smoothest, most comfortable drive. At the confluence of the Dras and Suru rivers lies Shilikche, a quiet hamlet and the perfect beginning to our apricot trail. Wandering through the village feels like stepping into a fairy tale with apricot trees in full bloom. And to my surprise, school children welcoming us with the sweet echo of village folk songs. I'm here for the Apricot Blossom Festival that is unique to the Union Territory of Ladakh. This festival takes place at the start of spring, and you need to check for exact dates because this festival happens across the entire region on different dates across different villages. In Shilikche, everything is shared. The harvest, the music, the love. At the Apricot Blossom Festival here, togetherness is what is celebrated. As the fruit ripens, so do the bonds between generations. Good morning everyone, it is day 2 in Kargil and I'm super excited because I'm going to the village of Hardas today where I have something really exciting planned. In any case, I just want to tell you a little bit about this amazing car that I've been driving. Whether I'm navigating these roads that are narrow village roads or dirt roads, this gives me a full sense of control because of the stability and the visibility that it offers. It's not just a machine, it is the perfect travel companion.
Home to the most dense apricot groves, beautiful smiles and the kindest hearts make Hardas a most special spot you cannot miss. Today, the soul of the village comes alive as Balti artists Gulzar, Sayedian, Zara and Ummul sing folk songs passed down generations. Echoes of a rich living heritage is what Hardas is all about.
The weather in the mountains is ever changing. It was freezing in the morning, then it was hot and sunny, and now it's cold again. I've had a beautiful day here. Hardas actually whispers stories of faith and resilience. Apricots here are not just eaten, but they are dried, preserved, and traded. Talk about an economy booming from trees. These are passed down from one generation to the next, and it's a brilliant way to live life. Good morning and welcome to day 3. Believe it or not, it is 10 a.m. I was supposed to leave Kargil and head to the Aryan Valley, but I guess nature had other plans in store. In the mountains, the weather is totally unpredictable, so as beautiful as the snow and the rain looks against all of these gorgeous apricot blossoms here in Kargil, it is actually pretty disastrous for the crop. Now, these delicate flowers actually are very sensitive, so when it rains, basically the pollen gets washed away, and when it snows, the bud freezes, and therefore the yield of the crop is reduced. Kargil woke up under a thick blanket of snow, and my Alcazar was no exception. Covered edge to edge and looking picture perfect, black turned white. I was snowed in but far from complaining. Tucked away in the heart of Kargil, the Munshi Aziz Bhatt Museum is a portal to the past, preserving stories of trade, travel, and the rich legacy of the Silk Route. Wandering through the old markets and narrow lanes, sipping hot kava, the warmth and resilience of Kargil spirit was tangible. A lovely way to spend a cold but beautiful day. After 2 days of being stuck in snowy Kargil, I am finally making my way to the Aryan Valley. The drive is long but never really tiring. The insides of this beautiful Alcazar just keep you wrapped in comfort. ventilated seats and an intuitive infotainment system that makes sure that I'm connected even in the most remote places. I arrived at Garon, an emerald gem on the banks of the Indus, tucked deep in the Aryan Valley, a spot selected by Aryans specifically for its fertility when they originally settled here.
The locals welcomed me with their distinctively vibrant traditional attire and their ornate headgear blooming with flowers. They then invited me to be a part of Gyalsa Drok, a traditional dance of the highlands, a song of victory, land and spirit. It was beauty, culture and grace in perfect rhythm.
The Brokpa have cultivated this land with reverence. In the Aryan Valley, farming isn't just a job, it's heritage. As we leave Garon for our last stop, Dhungar, to experience something spectacular, let me tell you a little bit about the significance of the apricot. It symbolizes fertility, prosperity, renewal, and tradition. Dhungar brings it all together. It's where tradition meets celebration. Dances echo through the valley, the beautiful scent of blossoms fill the air. This is where you realize it's not just about a fruit, it's about identity. Cold-pressed apricot oil, apricot jams and more apricot things are sold in the local market. While local artisans display their crafts, local food is cooked for all that attend to enjoy. Dhungar is a meeting point of the past and present, and like the apricot tree, the community blossoms from deep roots. Ladakh's Apricot Blossom Festival is not just an event, it's an emotion and a reminder that even in the harshest of landscapes, joy can bloom. Ready? Start.
आ जाओ यहाँ पे देखो कैमरे में.
Now I forgot my line. It's where tradition meets celebration, no? It's day 2 in Kargil. Rig Zen.
G for goat.
Rig Zen.
G for goat.
Yeah. Rig Zen. Okay. After being stuck in...
आपका फेस कवर हो रहा है पूरा.
that are which whispers stories.
Centuries.
Bye.
कट करना है